We have issued a weather alert day for this weekend, both days this weekend, as we look at some very chilly temperatures and some snowfall this afternoon. Wind chills are going to be the main thing to track over these next couple of days. Temperatures will be in the 20s, but could possibly feel like even the negatives as we get into some of these very chilly mornings. Now, we are still going to look at the possibility for some snow moving in this afternoon, but ice shouldn't be too much of a thing to worry about, at least at first. If some of the snow is able to melt at all and possibly refreeze on some of the roads, could be a little bit of a problem, but for the most part, just going to be tracking that snow moving through this afternoon, possibly seeing any places getting up to about 1 to 3 inches and maybe even reaching up to about 4 inches as well for some of our northern counties where we might see some more of that snow moving in. Now, it is going to move in pretty early this morning. We can see going to start out pretty scattered as temperatures still stick to these upper 20s, starting to enter our more western counties, getting closer to noon. Now, as we get right around noontime, that's whenever this system is expected to become the most widespread. Starting to drop a lot of snow on our northern counties. If any of our southern counties are able to get warm enough, could see that mixing with some rain, but most of that precipitation today is going to be focused as snow. Definitely going to be seeing those southern counties getting a taste of that later on this evening. Future tracks showing by around 5 p.m. still seeing pretty widespread snowfall, but main thing to look at there is temperatures by that point. We'll see once the system has moved on, it's going to pull those temperatures way down into the single digits and maybe even getting into the negatives up north. These are unfortunately going to continue into Sunday as well. We could see a small possibility of some light showers, snow showers moving in pretty early in the morning tomorrow, but main thing still is going to be these very cold temperatures. And on top of that, when you factor in that wind chill, it actually feels a lot colder than that. Not going to see those temperatures getting above those teens, possibly even as we go into Sunday. As Sunday evening approaches, still holding on to some cloud cover, and that will save us just a little bit from temperatures dropping that much that night. It does bring another chance for some light snow showers, but by that point, accumulations are going to be fairly minimal. Most of that snow is going to be focused for today, but unfortunately, those cold temperatures will be holding on to us for almost all of this week. I'm actually tracking them continuing to cool as the week progresses, getting into the teens right around Monday and Tuesday, and then possibly by next weekend, seeing that high temperature dipping to the single digits.